Sir, today's topic, Indian Evidence Act 1872. This feels very courtroom-oriented, but I know in valuation assignments, especially disputes, our reports go as evidence. So how should I understand this properly?
Very important topic. This act basically governs what evidence is admissible in court and how it is evaluated. For valuers, it is critical because our reports and opinions can become legal evidence.
Sir, first part, relevance of facts. What does relevant mean here?
Only those facts which are directly in issue or connected to the issue are admissible in court.
So not all information is accepted?
Correct. Only relevant facts are considered. Now, admissions. These are statements made by a party accepting some fact.
So like developer admitting delay?
Exactly. Confessions are specific to criminal matters, admission of guilt.
So less relevant for valuation?
Yes, mostly.
Now this is directly about us. Expert opinion.
Yes, under Section 45, experts like valuers can give opinion on technical matters, specialized knowledge.
So our valuation report is considered expert evidence?
Yes, but only if based on proper methodology, supported by data, within professional competence.
So credibility depends on quality of work?
Exactly. Court gives weight only if opinion is logical and justified.
Now documentary evidence. This is very relevant?
Yes, documents include sale deeds, agreements, plans, valuation reports. Two types. First, primary evidence, original document.
Like original sale deed?
Yes. Second, secondary evidence, copies or oral accounts.
So less reliable?
Yes, accepted under specific conditions.
So what about oral evidence?
General rule, direct oral evidence only. Witness must have personally seen, heard, experienced. Hearsay evidence, statements made by someone not present as witness, is generally not admissible.
So someone told me is not acceptable?
Correct, except in specific exceptions.
Now burden of proof. Who has to prove?
Whoever asserts a fact must prove it.
So if buyer claims defect, he must prove?
Yes.
Standard of proof?
In civil cases, preponderance of probabilities. In criminal cases, beyond reasonable doubt.
So in valuation disputes, mostly civil standard applies?
Correct.
Now how does all this apply to valuers practically?
Very important. First, valuation report as evidence. Your report must be clear, logical, supported by data. Second, cross-examination ready. Your assumptions and methods can be questioned.
So we must justify every conclusion?
Exactly. Third, legal defensibility. A good valuation is not just technically correct, it must be legally admissible and defensible.
So final understanding? Evidence Act defines what is acceptable in court. Valuers act as experts, reports must be well supported, and proper documentation and reasoning are essential?
Perfect. Always remember, a valuer's report is not just a document. It can become decisive legal evidence.
Understood. This makes the role much more responsible.
Yes, that is professional valuation practice.